Hanover. It is the capital and the largest city of the German state of Lower Saxony. Its 535,932 population makes it the 13th largest city in Germany, as well as the first largest city in northern Germany after Berlin, Hamburg and Bremen. Hanover's urban area comprises the towns of Garbsen, Langenhagen and Laatzen, and has a population of about 700,000. 91,000. The Hanover Region has approximately 1.16 million inhabitants and is the largest in the Hanover, Braunschweig, Göttingen, Wolfsburg Metropolitan Region. Before it became the capital of Lower Saxony in 1946, Hanover was the capital of the Principality of Calenberg, the Electorate of Hanover, the Kingdom of Hanover, the Province of Hanover of the Kingdom of Prussia, the Province of Hanover of the Free State of Prussia, and of the State of Hanover in 1946. From 1714 to 1837, Hanover was by personal union the family seat of the Hanoverian Kings of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. Under the title of the Dukes of Brunswick-Lüneburg, the city lies at the confluence of the river Leine and its tributary, the Ime, in the south of the North German plain. The city is a major crossing point of railway lines and motorways that calls in German Autobahn, connecting European main lines in both the east-west and the north-south directions. Hanover Airport lies north of the city in Langenhagen and is Germany's ninth busiest airport. The city's most notable institute of the higher education are the Hanover Medical School, one of Germany's leading medical schools out there, with its University Hospital Klinikum der Medizinischen Hochschule Hannover and the Leibniz University Hannover. The city is also home to International Neuroscience Institute. The Hanover Fairgrounds, owing to numerous extensions, especially for the Expo 2000, is the largest in the world. Hanover hosts annual commercial trades fairs, such as the Hanover Fair and up to 2018 the CeBIT. The IAA Commercial Vehicle Show takes place every 2 years. It is the world's leading trade show for transport, logistics and mobility. Every year, Hanover hosts the Schützenfest Hanover, the world's largest marksman's festival, and the Oktoberfest Hanover. Hanover has an oceanic climate. Independent of the isotherm, all attached the city is hot, not on a coastal location. The predominant air masses are still from the ocean. Unlike other places further east of south-central Germany. One of Hanover's sites is the Royal Gardens of Herrenhausen. Its great garden it is an important European Baroque garden. The place itself was largely destroyed by Allied bombing, but has been reconstructed and reopened in 2013. Also at Herrenhaus, the Berggarten is a botanic garden with the most varied collection of orchideas in Europe. The landmark of Hanover is the new town hall. Inside the building are 4 scale models of the city. A worldwide unique diagonal arch elevator goes up to the large dome at a 17-degree angle to an observation deck. The Hanover Zoo received the Park Scout Award for the first year running in 2009, placing it among the best zoos in Germany. The Marktkirche and the Old Town Hall is a good sign. Nearby are the Leibniz House, the Nolte House, and the Big Green Tower. Some of the popular sites are the Waterloo Column, the Leos Horse, the Wagenheimer Palace, the Lower Saxony State Archive, the Hanover Playhouse, the Krabke Clock, the Anzeiger Tower Block, and so on. Outside the city center is the Expo Park, the former seat of the Expo 2000. That's a nice city, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.